The Seven Ages of Man. William Shakespeare.
इंसान के 7 दौर। विलियम शेक्सपियर।
All the world's a stage, and all the men and women merely players. They have their exits and their entrances, and one man in his time plays many parts, his acts being 7 ages. At first the infant.
तमाम दुनिया एक स्टेज है और तमाम मर्द और औरतें महज खिलाड़ी हैं। स्टेज पर इनका आना और जाना है, और अपने वक्त में एक इंसान बहुत से किरदार अदा करता है। वह 7 तरह की उम्रें गुजारता है। पहले तो शीरख्वार,
Mewling and puking in the nurse's arms, and then the whining schoolboy, with his satchel and shining morning face, creeping like snail unwillingly to school. And then the lover, sighing like furnace, with a woeful halid made to his mistress' eyebrow. Then a soldier,
नर्स के बाजू में रोना और क्या करना, और फिर रोते हुए स्कूल का लड़का अपने थैले के साथ, और सुबह का चमकता हुआ चेहरा गूंगे की तरह रेंगता हुआ, ना चाहते हुए भी स्कूल जाना। और फिर आशिक, भट्टी की तरह आहें भरता हुआ, गम और जज्बात से भरे गीतों के साथ, अपनी महबूबा की बहुओं की तारीफ में लिखे हुए। फिर एक सिपाही,
full of strange oaths, and bearded like the pard, jealous in honor, sudden and quick in quarrel, seeking the bubble reputation, even in the cannon's mouth. And then the justice, in fair round belly with good capon lined,
अजीब कस्मों से भरा हुआ और चीते जैसी दाढ़ी वाला, गैरत के बारे में फ़िक्रमंद, झगड़े में अचानक और तेज़, आरती साख की तलाश में, यहाँ तक के तोप के मुंह में भी, और फिर इंसाफ पसंद। इसका पेट मोटा हो चुका है और इसके पास बहुत सी अक्लमंदी की बातें हैं।
with eyes severe and beard of formal cut, fall of wise saws and modern instances, and so he plays his part. The 6th age shifts into the lean and slippered pantaloon, with spectacles on nose and pouch on side.
संजीदा आंखों के साथ और रस्मी कट की दाढ़ी, अक्लमंदाना और जदीद मिसालों का बयान करना, और इस तरह वो अपना किरदार अदा करता है। छठी उम्र आती है, वो कमज़ोर हो जाता है और इसकी पतलून और जूते ढीले हो जाते हैं। नाक पर ऐनक और एक तरफ थैली।
His youthful hose, well saved, a world too wide for his shrunk shank, and his big manly voice, turning again toward childish treble, pipes and whistles in his sound. Last scene of all, that ends this strange eventful history.
इसकी जवानी के कपड़े अच्छी तरह से बचाए गए, क्योंकि वो ढीले हो चुके हैं। इसकी सुकड़ती हुई पिंडलियों के लिए बहुत वसी दुनिया, और इसकी मर्दाना आवाज़ दोबारा बचगाना थरथराहट और सनसनाहट की तरफ मुड़ती है। इसकी आवाज़ में सीटियाँ हैं, सबका आखिरी मंजर, जो इन अनोखे वाक़यात से बड़ी ज़िंदगी को ख़त्म करता है।
Is second childishness and mere oblivion. Sans teeth, sans eyes, sans taste, sans everything.
दूसरा बचपन और फरामोशी की बीमारी, बग़ैर दांत, बग़ैर आंखें, बग़ैर जायके के, बग़ैर हर चीज़ के।
The Seven Ages of Man is a famous monologue from William Shakespeare's play, As You Like It. In this monologue, the character Jacques reflects on the different stages of a person's life, comparing them to 7 distinct acts in a play. Here's a summary and explanation of each stage. 1. Infancy Act 1. At this stage, the infant is helpless and dependent, mewling and puking, in the arms of its nurse. The imagery used here conveys the vulnerability and innocence of infancy. 2. Childhood Act 2. This stage is characterized by playful innocence and curiosity. Children, whining schoolboys, unwillingly go to school, full of reluctance and reluctance to leave behind the freedom of play. 3. The Lover Act 3. This stage represents adolescence and young adulthood, where individuals experience the passion and turbulence of romantic love. It's depicted as a time of sighs, oaths, and dreams. 4. The Soldier Act 4. This stage signifies maturity and a sense of duty. The soldier is described as full of strange oaths and bearded like the pard, referencing the seriousness and responsibility associated with military service. 5. The Justice Act 5. This stage represents middle age and the pursuit of worldly success and responsibility. The individual is focused on accumulating wealth and establishing their place in society. 6. Old Age Act 6. In this stage, physical abilities decline, and the individual becomes more reflective and introspective. They lose their teeth, eyesight, taste, and are described as sans teeth, sans eyes, sans taste, sans everything, highlighting the physical deterioration of old age. 7. Senility Act 7. This final stage is characterized by a loss of mental faculties and a return to a childlike state of helplessness and dependence, completing the cycle of life. The monologue presents a cyclical view of life, where individuals progress through these stages from infancy to old age and eventually return to a state resembling infancy. It captures the universal journey of human life with its various joys, challenges, and inevitable transformations. If you like the video, subscribe our channel and appreciate us. For new videos, press bell and get notifications. Like, share and comment below for your suggestions and feedback. Thanks for watching.